Triggerman for the win, y'all.
Advances around 3. Good hit by both hot rods. Really throwing advances around 3 in the Gen 1 Camaro.
We got a new generation of the Lookout Racing hood is coming out within the next week or 2. What's up with it, Clyde, man?
I'm not on camera, bro.
Oh, you ain't? You off camera this week?
On camera.
Oh, him, it's his turn.
My twin brother right here. You see the resemblance? I'm handsome and he's ugly.
What'd you get?
Sweet tea.
I got a Slurpee.
Oh, yeah. Sweet tea, bro.
Yeah. Hey, man.
See, bro. Hey, we're fucking around with that. I'm serious. It's embarrassing. Don't do it no more. Tell him, Fred. It's my cousin, man. Tell him don't do that. Makes me look bad. Bad representation.
Hey, Clyde, I got a drink named by me up here, man. They've been ordering it.
What is it?
It's called the Lookout.
Oh, man.
Yeah, that's my drink, man. And I got everybody that watch my channel, they all be coming up here and ordering a drink to see what it's about. I'll ask them up there. They want me to ask for a discount. I want you to go investigate first and see if I deserve one.
I got you.
And make sure. Right now I'm at $14 for the drink. So I'm trying to see something. I need to see something, man. I done made over 14 people get it. So hey, I want you to check it out. Investigate for me. That's the other owner, y'all. Where you going? My last one. Appreciate the 100 bits there, Shot Mustang. Left lane with the red light, y'all.